gets very difficult to remove your unwanted facial hair growth. Some of you may opt for methods like bleaching, waxing to remove these hair, but this is just a temporary cure. But don't you guys worry, because I've come right here to get you rid of the unwanted facial hair growth. Here's what you need. Mix 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1/2 teaspoon of plain yogurt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. You can also add 1/2 teaspoon of rose water if you like. Spread this evenly on your face and leave it for around 20 minutes before scrubbing it off. This homemade recipe is painless, quick, and the results are just magical. I recommend you to try this homemade pack at least twice a week for around a month to see the difference. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being